This is my server that the websites live on, and here we have the domain name of ywamphilippines.org, and when I go to that takes me over to the cPanel, where you can see a list of the current websites that reside under ywamphilippines.org. And from here I can go through to the dashboard. So this now puts us right inside the middle of WordPress. We have the dashboard, we have information about what's been going on with the website. We always have a problem with hackers, we have to keep them at bay, and one of the things that I do for you is to make sure you remain secure and safe at all times. So here we are on the dashboard of the website, and we can go through and we can visit the website, and it will come up over here in a sec. And here's the website. And then finally, one of the things we can do is we can go into this page and we can edit it. And so now we are several layers deep into the management of a website, all the way down to an individual page, and we can see all the portions that exist here that we will hopefully be able to manage and make more into a website for this location. But to begin with, we simply have a standard layout and setup that someone can very easily go in here and edit a page, and then we can click on these little purple dots down here, click on save, and it's going ahead and saving the page. It's saved, and now we can go and exit the visual builder. This takes us out of the building portion of the website, which you can only get to as a logged in administrator. If you're not logged in, you cannot see these things, so the page cannot be edited. And finally, one of the very first things you're going to want to do is have a look at this page here and have a look at the potential layouts you could use for your website. And here we have some 2,300 layouts, 316 possible packs, and you could look through these and find one that you like. We would of course change the pictures to reflect your location, change the words, but this gives you an idea of what a layout could look like. And we go back, and here we see the landing page for this one, and here is a landing page for this website. That's what it looks like. Oops, went too far. And there's thousands and thousands of ways in which we can manipulate a layout to make it appropriate for your website. So have a look, go to your website, do click on this link, start to look at what you might want for your website to look like.